straight back down again. So, fucking epic. Fucking epic. It's fucking
Order submitted.
They're holding those lows down there, but
Order filled.
everything is pointing downwards right now. Someone said good day to wait for the 15-minute range. Yeah, no, it's definitely a good day to wait.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Just
Order
there.
submitted.
If we break this opening range, I'm getting short. Riding
Order
it down
filled.
for 100 points. Yes, sir. 100. Only 100 points, nothing less. Well, we're not breaking the bottom yet, so here we go.
Order
back up
filled.
now. Oh my lord, she's a ripper. Absolute ripper now. We're going all the way for those highs now? We're going all the way for those highs right now? What is happening? All the way for the highs?
Order filled.
Okay. Look for the VWAP, I guess. Or maybe up there to the 69s. My favorite number. Oh, almost. The VWAP algo is real, man.
Order filled.
Ooh. Market's got me sick, man. Am I on vacation? Yes. I am on vacation. Working, making money vacation. All right, depending on how this candle closes, I might end up adding here at some point. I think we could get up there, try to touch that VWAP maybe a little bit more. Who knows? We are long, though, clearly. Banana, banana. All right, I'll take it right there. Whew. Good Lord. Good Lord. All right, we made some money in those Take Profit Trader live accounts. We've made 2,500 in those accounts, so we're making money. We're making money. We're making money. We're right up there to the VWAP now. I'm gonna try one more long here. See if we can't get a pop up through this level next. Try to maybe even little dippity dip ads.
Order filled.
Little dippity dip ads right there at the VWAP now. Got the pivot point down there, 730s. How can I get a chair? What's your email? You trying to buy a chair? I don't sell chairs, bro. This ain't IKEA. This ain't IKEA. We ain't selling chairs here. Kind of adding into this little bull flag. Want to get through that VWAP there next.
Order filled. Order filled.
Lambo Jimmy, bro, you're bad. Thanks, man. I appreciate the support. If I'm bad and you're watching me, that makes me real bad. It makes you, what does it make you? Lambo Jimmy, what does it make you? If I'm bad but you're watching me, what does that make you? Think about that. Think about that. Hey, think about that.
Order filled.
All right. There's that pullback again into the 740s here. Pivot point right there, 730s. Dude, you argue with the chat. You're an old man. Who's arguing? Lambo Jimmy, who's arguing, bro? I'm sitting in my fucking house in the desert making money. Who's arguing? Who's arguing, Jimmy? Why am I so offended? I'm not offended. Why do I do, like, do I look like I'm offended? I'm making money. Should I be offended? Just got to get through the VWAP here. Come on, get through this 80 level. Pump it, pump it.
Order filled.
All right, I'm looking for a push above the 800s here. Can we get a push above 800s? We're right here at the top of the 15-minute range right now, right there at the VWAP as well. So get above the VWAP here. Should be able to get a nice 20, 30-point pop. 20, 30-point pop. Put some orders up here just in case.
Order filled.
There's the 800 level. Beautiful trade here. Still going.
Order
I'll
filled.
take it all right there. Thank you very
Order
much.
filled. Order filled.
Still going higher, by the way. There was a guy earlier that said that he was going to fade me. He said he was going to fade me, chat.
Order filled.
He was going to fade me. I hope he's still fading me because, well, we be out here winning. Winning. Like I said, the first 15-minute candle, we had our first 15-minute range, opening range, right? We break out to the upside from the 80s now up there to the 820s. That's 40 points, by the way. That's 40 points, chat. 40 points right there. Still going higher. Don't even say I didn't tell you. I showed you that whole entire trade. Everything. And look at it. There it is up above the 800s now. So. What a time to be alive.
Order filled.
Boners. Looks like you got some buyers stepping up there as well still. Might not be over just yet. Could get up there really quickly to the 840s or so. There's that 830 push. Impressive, to say the least. Impressive. It's impressive. Look at it, still going. She can't stop, she won't stop. I wish you were still holding. Fuck, man. You know, I want to say, I don't want to take all the profits from everybody.
Order filled.
Gotta share some of the profits, man. Gotta share some of the profits, man. Can't be making all the money. Still going higher. Wowzers. Well, I mean, you know, the funny thing is, I said this morning I was going to wait for the 5-minute opening range. And, well, look at that. That's 100 points off the 5-minute opening range currently. Still going higher, by the way. Still going higher, so. You gotta love it. The bulls are in control. We got that pivot point all the way up there at the 873s.
Order filled.
They are printing right now. Absolutely printing. The bulls stepped in pretty hard here. We saw that big sell-off overnight. We had the double kind of bottom set up down there, and then the rip. Fucking A, man. Fucking. Straight to the moon here, boys. Straight to the moon. I took profit for that break above the 800s and it's up another 50, 60 points here. What a move. What a move. Now we just got to wait for our next setup. I think there might be some news here at 10 o'clock. All right, now we got to be patient. Big move up like this, got to get a little bit of a pullback, right? A little bit. I think it's just because it's so dry out here. I'm not used to that dry climate. I'm used to that humidity in Florida. Very dry out here in the desert. It's dry. Rafael Rivera, he's up, looks like 20,000 on the day. Rafael, monster day on the NASDAQ. 20,000 done for the day. Well, that's epic. That is very epic. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button, blow it up. Someone said, would I sell right here? No. No reason to sell yet, you know. W. Brams, my house. No, it's an Airbnb, bro. I don't live in California. Why would I own a house here? It's my house. And when I said my house, it just said, you know, like I'm here in my house. Like the house that I'm in right now, which is an Airbnb. Paid $4,000 for 8 days of Airbnb. Is it better to rent or own? If you're poor, it's good to rent. I mean, if you're poor, it's good to buy. If you're rich, it's good to rent. So, yeah, basically, that's my life advice. If you're poor, buy a house. If you're rich, rent a house. Somebody who's poor in the chat says that they disagree with me. Well, tell me you're poor without telling me you're poor, bro. Tell me you're poor without telling me you're poor. You know, how about that? Catch me outside. How about that? All right, so the NASDAQ just kind of holding up here, man. Holding up. Are we going to keep pushing straight up here, possibly? I mean, the people that bought this house, they paid $2.4 million for this house back in 2022, and the house is currently for sale for $1.8 million. So, I mean, was it a good investment to buy this house in 2022? Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not. Someone said they got ripped off. I mean, they didn't get ripped off. It's just that was the housing market. Back in 2020, 2022, everybody was buying houses out in the desert because everybody wanted to get away from the city, to get away from COVID. And, well, now everybody is decided that they can't afford a house out in the desert and a house in the thing. Your runners would be printing right now versus waiting for a pullback. I mean, hey, buddy, I don't fucking, you know. What do you want me to do? Patrick, horrible example. 2022 was the peak housing price in the last 2,000 years, bro. What is... what am I lying about? Patrick, you're wrong. You're not right. The houses are only going to go up forever. Okay, bro. I don't know why poor people get so upset when I say that houses are a bad investment. Are you vaccinated? No. Fucking A, man. Somebody said they bought the Roman Coliseum. PW, how was your drive yesterday? It was just like this. It was good. We hit some bushes. Don't tell the tree huggers that we hit some bushes yesterday. It happens sometimes. Got the desert cough, man. I'm dying. I'm dying with the desert cough. Dying. dying. I'm dying. So we made, this thing is, what is this thing right here? We made $3,000 in 2 accounts with Take Profit Trader. These are live funded accounts. Made 3,000, and then we made 2,500 times 5 accounts. And these accounts, that's how much is that? That's 12,000. Wait, 2,500 times 5. 1,250. 1,250. 1,250. When is your next payout? I don't get payouts, bro. I never make no money. What are you talking about? No payouts allowed, okay? We don't do payouts here. Only affiliate commission. The only way I can pay my bills if you use my code PW. Use the code PW. Help me help you, okay? Right now, the NASDAQ is holding up here at the 870s. Right there at that pivot point. PW, are you out of the Grand Cup? I am. I was up $10,000 yesterday, and they ended up resetting my account because they said that I traded too many contracts. No. Yeah, I posted it yesterday on the sucks, but hey, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. What's it like trading gold? Gold's pretty wild, man. I put 2 contracts on NASDAQ and then 2 contracts on gold. That's how everybody was making all that money. Yes, the day one. People were making like 20, 30,000 because they were trading multiple indexes at one time. Jag Deep Gill, I tried to send you an email on PayPal. It said that your PayPal email does not exist.
Right, I think. Is this?
So if you want to confirm, make sure that you're sending me the right email for your PayPal. I tried to pay you, but it says that your email.
My computer is having such a hard time right now.
Does not exist. So I just paid Matt $10,000. It's not that I'm not trying to pay anybody. It wouldn't let me pay you, bro. I swear to God.
Chat, I just tried to have it going.
I just paid Matt
$10,000. Yeah, we're prop trading over here. I changed around some things on my strategy and had a pretty bad trade. So I'm just waiting for a solid drop here, and I'm going to all in and try to flip this account.
Yeah, I just didn't want to send the money to the wrong person.
To do it right now. This other one, I kind of tried to copy Patrick, and I'm just stuck in here right now. I'm missing some of his trades. He's trading quick, but
all right. Well, NASDAQ just kind of holding up here.
My computer's having some issues today, which it was not having yesterday. I'm trying to figure out what's going on with Windows.
Yeah, no, I've sent the wrong money. I've sent money to the wrong person before.
The stream's probably buffering.
The guy gave me the wrong email address, and I sent money, and then the guy was all pissed off at me. sent 500 bucks to the wrong person, and the guy was like, well, you got to send me money. And I'm like, well, I mean,
We'll see how this works.
no, maybe. All right, NASDAQ just kind of pulling back here, 840s again. Which way will she go?
Order filled.
I want to exit this trade on this account so I can actually get synced up with him again. I was focusing too much on what was going on up top. Still waiting for this to go down significantly. I don't want to watch. Like a
You didn't
real
get money back? No, the guy did not
big
send the money
blow.
back. Am I gonna hit this
Talking
pullback?
about getting
Maybe.
scammed.
Maybe. What do you think? Should we get long on this pullback here?
Order
Alright,
filled.
he's about to long.
I don't know.
This is going to be a wild one.
Let's see if we pull back a little bit more first. Pull back into like the 800 level.
Right, alright. If it bounces up a little bit, I'm gonna...
We'll try a little dip buy right there. Kind of, we took out that previous 5-minute low and then kind of try to add
Order
to this a little
filled.
bit.
Just go green. Just go green.
Order
Nope.
filled.
Wrecked. Alright, yeah, that account's done. I only had like 200 bucks with that one.
Bum, bum, bum.
So I'll show you what I did.
Bum, bum, bum.
I changed one value. I changed this P&L base threshold to 15 instead of 10. And when I did that, it spread my orders out a bit more.
Bum, bum, bum.
But because of that, it put me in a really bad spot. Like, the orders have
There we go.
it has
Nice
to
and
move
easy.
further for any action to actually happen.
From
So like
the 35s up there to the 48s.
in between the 25 and the 75, it was like just under the 75 and then going down. And if I had left it at its original like 10,
Someone
10,
said this
10,
is the
it
D-Money
would've
1 hour candle. It
probably gone
is.
through that pretty
Pulling back
nicely.
there. PW code does not work on Legends. I think it does. It
Get
should
another
work.
one going here.
PW, how to be patient like you. I don't know, man. I get lucky sometimes.
Yeah, I don't think he's. I think he did a trade right when I tried to do that flip.
I get lucky
It was a bad
sometimes,
flip.
man.
All right, first 300k count.
Just try to make a little bit of money, man. That's all. Just a little bit of money, man. If you guys haven't already hit that like button, subscribe button. We got 600 likes here on the stream. Blow it up. Gotta get at least 1,000. Come on, man. Someone said this looks like chop. Looks like chop. Maybe.
I'm getting a
Maybe not.
another count going while the sale's going also.
Ba-ba-bum-bum. This is pretty funny. TJR said that I'm slowly going to start moving my trading to stocks, long-term investments. I'd rather put $100,000 to $400,000 on a stock that I believe in and catch percentage gains, and also not have to worry about being wrong because I believe in the stock anyway. So I plan on holding it instead of full-on losing a trade and actually being out $100,000. Look at that. The gurus are coming around, man. Now they're all going to start long-term investing. Fucking A. Did I just buy the dip there? The perfect dip buy?
I'm gonna reconnect to Apex real quick, make sure I don't have anything. It shouldn't. It should be.
I mean, I have long-term investments, and I also still day trade.
No way.
I think
Why is that
there's, you
account still
know,
there?
Order submitted.
there's plenty of ways to make money in
Yeah.
this market. Nothing wrong with doing a little bit of both. All right, NASDAQ is kind of holding here for now. Remember, we do have that big old gap fill. Remember, we closed yesterday, that dotted line, 26,100. Had this big move overnight all the way down here. We did not fill the gap all the way, to be honest, but sometimes you get the partial fill, and then that rockets the market higher. So
Oh shoot. Dude, the sales are not that great right now. Maybe I'll just keep
now we've got
It's the
this
sign.
candle.
I'm gonna keep that.
Got a doji there on the
Inverting for the
5-minute
straight
chart. So if we start to break out
And,
through this
spend
880
some time
level,
working on this
then
chart.
I think we can look
Actually
for,
getting the-
you know, a push
I'm gonna
up
keep
into
that.
here, pivot point,
I
maybe
was talking
1,
about.
2, 3 targets back up there towards that 26,000 level, right? PW is a secret ICT trader. Man, I've been trading gaps before ICT even knew what trading was. Yeah, no, I mean, come on. Come on now. Come on.
Yeah, maybe I should listen to what he says. Maybe he has like something going on. Maybe he has points here. But I don't know.
Is it really possible to make some money day trading with the prop firms? I mean, it's possible. But will you be able to do it? Probably not. That's just the truth of it, honestly. I mean, it's definitely possible.
It's like 90-95%
I wouldn't say that,
failure
you know,
rate.
nothing's impossible.
That's how they make sure they make
but the
money.
chance of you actually being able
Like-
to make money with the prop firms, probably not. I mean, we try to push.
What's he about to do?
We start to break out here. I'm looking for these longs.
He wants to long. I'm gonna sell.
I'm looking for these longs. Start to break out here, chat. Which is the better way, prop firms or your own funded account? I mean, I think prop firms
Like, look at that.
are great because you get you're not going to lose $5,000 on day one, you know. That's the way I look at it.
Hey,
But if you put $5,000 into your own personal account,
anything,
you'll probably lose it day one. Start out with the prop
my
firms,
stream is
get a
okay.
payout,
I don't
get
know if that's getting
funded.
to you guys.
and then take your payouts and open your own account. Have you ever traded high? I'm high right now, bro. What are you talking about? Why can't we make money with prop firms? I was kidding. I mean, you can, but like it ain't.
Yeah,
It
for
ain't
some
like-
reason,
it
my
ain't easy.
chat doesn't actually show your guys' usernames.
Sharon
It gives
Tidbull, do
me,
you
like,
still
the
trade your live account? I do not.
login name?
I do
Like,
not have a
originally
live
used to show
account right
Mr.
now.
Burp, but now it shows
Or a self-funded
Burp
live account.
dash J2F.
I just put all the
Same
money
goes
into
for-
Apple. I put all my money into Apple, and I
Do it.
just
Or
went on
we-
vacation.
I don't know. Sorry, I see the Korean characters there, but I don't really know.
If you
Korean.
had no prop firm money, would you trade differently?
But yeah, I was going to
I
explain
mean, I don't
prop
really
trading if you were actually asking what prop trading was.
Think about
or
the
if you were
coulda, the
just
shoulda, the
confirming
woulda.
That I was
To be
prop
honest.
trading.
If my dad was Bill Gates, would I be a billionaire? I don't know, maybe. You know, if I invented, you know, the wheel, would I be a billionaire? Maybe. All right, this 5-minute candle is holding up here. Let's see where this closes at. If we close above this previous candle high, we're looking like it. Oh man, I'm gonna nibble here. I'm gonna nibble. We're basically
Order
gonna play
filled.
So,
this, try to add into this area
oh shoot, I did 8.
here to get a continuation out of this
I didn't mean to do 8.
now. Right, look for that 900 area,
I
maybe
honestly think my
a little bit more if we continue to push.
my computer's health has been degrading rapidly.
Someone
over
says,
the
I
past
really
couple
want to do
days.
this. Please advise me. Don't do it, Mary Prayer House. Don't do it. Go do anything other than trading. I'm serious.
Order
I'm closing at
filled.
4 points there.
Don't try to be a trader. Don't do it. Don't do it, chat.
You back to selling?
Order filled.
He's still in his buy. I guess I should have waited and let it hit the stop that he hit. That's where I should take my profit if I wanted to like match him exactly, you know.
I want to try to add into this if we start to break out from here.
He's gonna add
Let
into
this
it.
dip a little bit and then try to add into it. Putting that wick in the bottom of that 5-minute candle now, so. Kind of want to see that happen, honestly.
Order filled.
I'm going to add right there.
Can't. I just like. I'm watching my computer just die. I'm sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. It's literally Windows anti-malware service just like scanning all my stuff.
Someone in the chat said they shorted at the 70s. Okay. Well, if you're short and I'm long, I guess we'll find out.
Order filled.
He's long.
Order filled.
Immediately close.
Order filled.
Everyone in the chat said they're going to start getting short. That's, hey guys, I want you to. If that way, if this trade doesn't work out and I lose money, that way you make money. See, right? It would be nice for you guys, not for me, but it'd be nice for you. So this would be the good time to go short right here, right now.
Y'all
Order filled.
Yeah, he's longing, so I don't know, man. Wonder if I messed up my settings trying to like figure out my. No. Yeah.
She's trying to go. Got a minute left here on this 5-minute candle.
Oh, shoot.
Would love to see it close above 75 here. Would be great.
I'm just reverting back to my like beginner days where I'm just like trying to get like 1 or 2 points instead of actually following the strategy. I was about to close it.
Do I have take profit? Yes. There's my take profit, 917, 950s.
My computer cannot. Sorry guys, I think I'm gonna end the stream soon. Because it's having a real hard time today. I think I need to go through like all my stuff that's running. Because I've been trying to
close above that
here, and I'm just, like,
75 level. Come on, come
I should have
on.
restarted my computer before streaming. There's a lot of random stuff that's just running. My computer, since I started streaming, has been at like 88% memory or higher. So I think that's a huge part of why it's buffering. And it's like literally half
Getting real tight either way.
to a gig
Real
is
tight
just
here.
random Windows stuff just sitting around. So dumb.
What's your thought processes for calling the long? Well, if you look here at the chart, we put in a higher low. We're holding up there. We're right here at this pivot point consolidating. We're breaking out to the upside right now, so that's why I'm long.
What he's saying makes sense.
If it works, it works. If it don't,
If
it
he longs
don't.
here, I'm gonna
So,
have to short more.
that's all I got, guys. This is what happens when you trade. You got to put on a trade. You can't sit there and think about it all day and talk about it and post about it and
But it's funny he's saying
call your
that
mom
because
and
that's
ask her
literally what he
about
does.
it. Like, you just got to get in and you got to let it go, and that's all we can do. We're in the trade. It's either gonna go or it's not, and that's all I got. All right.
So I guess if it hits 25,
Chat said I should have shorted there, so
917, I'll close this, and it'll be like matching
guess that
his take profit,
wasn't-
but I'm losing.
such a good idea.
This experiment was all sorts of messed up. Honestly, closing this will probably help because NinjaTrader is using a lot right now.
Long-term short. Okay. You do you, baby. You do you.
I like the long-term shorts too.
Got stuck up there right below the 90s for now, so whatever.
Right, if he buys to add in, I'm gonna add in. Oh, still disappointed about how I played that 300k account. I should not have messed with my strategy, man. It was too good. I was afraid, and then I did something that made it even worse. So it also, I don't know if you guys noticed, scaled how fast I was losing. It increased the rate at which I was losing. Oh, dude, he
Order filled.
got So the higher price points when they were getting hit.
Come
I
on,
was losing way more
NASDAQ.
money.
Just chopping around here, holding up at that 860 level. We popped all the way up there to the 90s.
Let's see it to pop to 25,824.
Need more pushy push.
Okay, I'm gonna.
Got the 10:30 candle, next 30-minute candle about to open here.
It's dropping. If it gets to 25,824. Okay, I'm just gonna close that.
Order filled.
I gotta be done. Sorry guys, my computer is.
Some guy in the chat said my stop loss
throwing me
is
off.
his entry. Well, it ain't now, is it, motherfucker? It's not now.
Kind of
Not
fun.
now. It's not.
This is not accurate
now,
as
Daddy.
to what trading the inverse of Patrick Wieland would produce, as we weren't able to exactly mimic, but got a lot of work to do. Sorry about this, guys.
I'm new to the channel. What's the thought
300K
behind so
count,
many
man.
micro contracts versus a few minis?
I'm gonna have
Oh
to
no,
look.
sir. These are minis.
Currently, right
These
now,
are not.
300K
That's not
count, if I were to
100
try to go
micros.
get
That's
it with
100
the
minis.
discount, is still
That's 100.
180 bucks. And it definitely goes down to like 70 bucks or even cheaper. So I'm gonna wait a little bit and try to invest my time into fixing my strategy and making it more robust, so I don't have to make those micro movements and then still continuing to mimic the inverse of Patrick Wieland.
Dick Cheney
Yeah.
passing away today.
I have some big
84 years
things
old.
I'm
I hope I
working on
lived
this
on
week, so
84, 85, 80.
I think I'll have a lot more, how to say, like insight into the market come next week, you know, because I'm working on indicators for myself to try to like just understand how things are moving better. And I get what he's saying, where he's talking about, you know, like why he's setting at certain points, like having a stop loss here because it's a lower low, and then they start making higher lows over that period of time. That's why he's thinking it's going to push out. So using things like that and like the volume traded at certain rates and
Oh Lord.
various other factors is what I'm trying to pull into my strategy this week. I think at that
Just stuck
point,
there at that pivot point, at the 870 pivot point for now.
with some of those indicators, I probably could run some sort of strategy back testing just in general to say like, oh, if this indicator is showing a certain pattern 50% of the time or more, maybe it's worth entering a
NQ Trader said, I'm not confident with a long here.
So
Better
we'll
to
see.
enter lower.
But
Well, sounds good, bro.
yeah, I don't know. Rough day. Rough day.
Like I said earlier, guys, I put on the trade,
Huh?
and it is what it is. If it pulls back, it pulls back. It's not
That account's
the
gone.
end of the world. I think people like think that you're not allowed to ever have a
Yeah, I
losing
changed my
trade.
one strategy. So like, you know how I had it with like the tiered
So
orders, right?
it's all good.
I was keeping them like 10 points apart, and instead I made it 15. So it made it harder for one of them to get hit, and then it dropped back down to an appropriate spot to sell. And then when they did get hit, I
You need to
ended up
hold this like
losing more.
840 level, right,
What?
and push back up
This-
here quickly. That 15-minute
His
chart,
chat thinks it's gonna go
840 kind of key
down.
level here. If we
He
get
thinks
below
it's gonna go up. He
840, it's
keeps
probably
buying.
not good for the long. So.
I just exited. I was in. Yeah, he just keeps adding. It's a lot. And he's probably copy trading. I'm just saying that's across multiple accounts. Like he... Is the 120 all of them? Okay. Oh dude, it's going down. He's looking upset. But yeah. My computer is literally like dying over here. I don't know what's going on.
Might get out if
so
we break
I'm gonna
below
end the stream
840s here.
for now. I keep getting messages saying it's gonna make
Watching this
everyone buffer.
850 level here. Got my finger on
I know
the
it's
trigger to
pretty,
possibly get out if we start to
Disappointing
get this
performance
closed
today
below
anyway, so
840s.
But yeah, thanks guys for tuning in anyways, and we'll catch you tomorrow. Hopefully things are better. Dude, I see it on my screen. It's like so laggy. All right.
40 seconds left
Yeah,
here on
GGs,
this
guys.
5-minute candle.